Mabuhay! Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. This is Melanie, aka Content Pairs. I will teach you how to curl your hair using a iron wand. And let's get started. Make sure to dry your hair. And then first off is I will be putting my Lime Life 1 Drop Wonder. I use it on my face, and at the same time I nourish my hair with it. Just a couple of drops and your hair will be nourished. Moving on our second step, section your hair into 2 and get a tie or clip to clip the first section, and then brush the other section with a wet brush, better than the normal brush. I use wet brush. For these easy curls, I will be using 1 stroke only, which is outward, and I will continue doing it for the rest of it. But make sure you be careful in using this one because it's really hot. All you can do is count 1, 2, 3 and your curl is ready to go. This is a good hack that you can try at home when you curl your hair or you straighten your hair. Just put the curl on the other sides to separate it and you're good. Continue doing it until you finish the first section, and then just loosen it up a bit if you want it loose a bit, your curls. But if you want it curly, just let it sit like that. Moving on the second section on the left side of my hair, I will be doing the same thing, curling it until the end, and then just curl it as much as you can, as long as where you wanted the curl to stop. And there it is. Continue doing it until you finish everything, and then I will show you what product I am using to have a long lasting curls. If you like this kind of video or tutorial, please give this a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for good vibes for more tutorial, beauty hacks, beauty tips, unboxing of this channel. And now here it is, the curly hairstyles is almost done. I will be showing you what product I am using, but for now I want it a bit loose, so I'll be using my fingers in loosening it up a little bit. And then this is it. This is the product I'm using for flexible wavy hair gel, Pantene, and these curls are gonna be looking so gorgeous. This is how I do it, and these curls last for 5 days. I am really serious, so look for this similar products if you can't find this one, and make sure you do that because it looks really gorgeous when you put something like to shine it, and for your hair to look like it's not brushy curls. It's mommy duty. After curling my hair, I have to do a grocery shopping. And here it's the curls. Look at it, so gorgeous. Thank you for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye!